Carefully remove the dust cover from the machine. This will give you access to all the components you need to maintain. Power on the printer and allow it to complete its self-check. After initialization is complete, the screen will display, "Printer is ready." Now it's time to place clear tape on the print bed, exactly as demonstrated. This will be used to check the status of the nozzles. Raise the print bed all the way to the top for the auto position function. Press auto position. Perform a nozzle check using the ArtisJet software on the computer. The printer will now perform a nozzle check. Compare the printed pattern to the ArtisJet software to see if your pattern matches the correct result. If your printed pattern came out correctly, then it means you don't have to clean the print head and you're ready to start printing. However, if your print shows black streaks or incorrect colors, it likely means your ink has become contaminated. In some cases, the nozzle check may appear normal, but incorrect colors during printing can still indicate contamination. Common causes of color contamination include the machine standing idle for extended periods without operation, improper handling during damper replacement, such as failing to seal ink channels correctly, which allows color mixing, and most commonly, insufficient regular maintenance. Now let's walk you through how to resolve this issue. Click on Clean Head in the ArtisJet software, or you can also perform a cleaning using the keypad on the machine. The cleaning process is now in progress. Once the cleaning is complete, perform another nozzle check. As mentioned earlier, even if your colors appear correct during the nozzle check, your printer may still output incorrect colors. This is a clear sign of ink contamination. To confirm this, run a test print with color blocks to check if the colors are printing accurately. If the colors are still incorrect, you'll need to perform an ink charge for maintenance. Open the ArtisJet software, navigate to the Print Management section. Then open the ink charging drop-down menu and select Ink Charge for Maintenance. This will initiate a cleaning cycle, which typically takes around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Once the cleaning is finished, perform another nozzle check. In most cases, the results will appear correctly and you'll be ready to start printing. However, if the issue persists, make sure that all the ink cartridges are at least 50% full, as this is crucial for proper operation. Weigh each cartridge to ensure it still contains enough ink. If a cartridge weighs 200 grams or less, it should be replaced with a new one. Be sure to weigh all cartridges individually to confirm there is sufficient ink in each before continuing operation. Note: if you are working with the latest ArtisJet models, there is no need to weigh the cartridges manually, as these machines feature a built-in ink level monitoring. Lower the print bed. Then power off the machine completely. For this step, you'll need cotton pads, an empty syringe, and a 2.5mm Allen key. Carefully move the printhead to the center of the machine. Using the Allen key, unscrew the 3 screws on the left side of the printhead. Followed by the 2 screws on the right side. Once all 5 screws are removed, gently lift off the carriage cover. Inside, you'll see the dampers, each labeled with a number. These numbers correspond to the color of the ink cartridges located on the right side of the machine. One is varnish, 2 is white, 3 is varnish, 4 is yellow, 5 is cyan, 6 is white, 7 is black, 8 is magenta. Let's quickly refer back to your nozzle check results. For example, if the magenta channel printed incorrectly, you'll need to identify the number linked to magenta. In this case, it's damper number 8. Now that we've identified the problematic color, return to the front of the machine. To prevent cross-contamination, place a cotton pad over damper number 7, the black ink channel, which is next to the magenta damper. With the cotton pad in place, use your empty syringe to gently suction approximately 10mm of magenta ink from damper number 8. This will help remove any trapped air from the ink line and restore proper flow to the printhead, or replace the dampers if the ink continues to persist. Once complete, place the carriage cover back onto the print head assembly. Screw the 5 screws back in and gently move the print head back into its original position until it clicks into place. Switch the machine back on, allowing it to complete its initialization process. Then proceed with the final cleaning. Followed by one last nozzle check. Your printer should now be working correctly. If you're still having trouble, contact MaxLaser and our technicians will gladly help. You can begin printing. When running full production, it's important to perform a cleaning every 2 hours to maintain optimal print quality. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more maintenance tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.